Ferrari has unveiled its new supercar, the 849 Testarossa, which is the successor to the SF90 Stradale. The Testarossa name first appeared in 1956 on the 500 Testa Rossa sports prototype. In 1984, it gained legendary status with the Ferrari Testarossa road supercar, becoming an icon of the 80s. Now, in 2025, Ferrari revives this name for its new plug-in hybrid supercar. At the heart of the new Testarossa is an updated version of the Ferrari F154 engine. The 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, equipped with stronger internal components and larger turbochargers, now develops 830 horsepower, that's 50 horsepower more than the SF90 Stradale. This powerful V8 is complemented by a hybrid system with 3 electric motors, 2 on the front axle for torque vectoring, and 1 at the rear integrated with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. Together, they add 220 horsepower, bringing the total power output to 1,050 horsepower. The result is impressive acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour in 2.3 seconds, up to 200 km per hour in 6.35 seconds, and a top speed of 330 km per hour. Thanks to its plug-in hybrid architecture with a 6.5 kilowatt-hour battery, the car can travel up to 25 km in pure electric mode, at speeds of up to 130 km per hour, which is ideal for urban conditions. There are 4 driving modes, which can be selected using a special switch on the steering wheel. These modes allow the car to be adapted to different conditions, from everyday city driving to aggressive track driving. The increased power of the internal combustion engine demanded enhanced heat dissipation capabilities. The cooling system has been improved by 15% compared to the SF90, thanks to larger intercoolers and new air ducts. Brake cooling on the rear axle has been enhanced by 70% through redesigned channels and ventilation, reducing braking distances and boosting track performance. The aerodynamics of the Testarossa elevate performance to a new level. A low front splitter and active flaps in the air ducts direct airflow to reduce drag while enhancing cooling for brakes and radiators. Large side air intakes efficiently channel air to cool the V8 and electric motors. An electronically controlled active rear spoiler, positioned between the twin-tail design elements, adjusts automatically based on speed and driving mode. The hypercar generates a total downforce of 415 kg at 250 km per hour, 25 kg more than the SF90 Stradale, ensuring superior stability on the track and during high-speed driving. Prices start at €460,000.